representation and reasoning in detail. So the main aim of knowledge representation and reasoning is to make machine to think, understand, interpret, reason and behave like humans. So what is knowledge? So knowledge is some information, fact, belief or awareness that is gained with the help of experience and situation. Second thing, what is reasoning? So reasoning is the ability to think, to make a judgment and decision. So knowledge representation is study of how machines can express belief, intention, judgment, decision and prediction. तो अब क्वेश्चन अराइज होगा कि what is the use of knowledge representation and why it is needed? So its answer would be to make machines more intelligent, because intelligence comes only when there is a proper way of using knowledge, that is using right knowledge at the right time. So to use knowledge properly, it must be represented in an accurate and efficient manner. So what are the things that can be represented as knowledge? So it can be object, event, performance, meta-knowledge, fact or knowledge base. Now object is any real world entity. Events are the actions performed on that object. Performance is the knowledge about how to act in any situation. Then meta-knowledge is the knowledge of knowledge, or knowledge of what actually we know. Then facts are the truth about the environment. And knowledge base is the information gained by agent which is stored afterward. We can say it is the database of agent. Now we will see types of knowledge. So first one is declarative. So in this type, concept, fact, object, etc. are represented in declarative sentence. So जो कुछ भी mentioned है like concept, object or any fact, we have to just accept it without any reasoning. Sentence में mentioned है मतलब है. We have to accept it as a universal truth. Now second one, structural information, and it shows relation between fact, concept and object. Third one is procedural rule, which includes rules stating how to do something. Then fourth one is the meta knowledge, it is the knowledge about knowledge. And fifth one is heuristic knowledge. So it means expert knowledge of any field, or we can say expert advice regarding any topic. Now what is knowledge cycle and how it works? So knowledge cycle start with perception of information gained by agent with the help of sensor. Then this gathered information will be stored in a proper way like knowledge representation. From that knowledge it will try to learn and reason, and then by using right knowledge at right time it will do a proper and systematic planning for execution. So आखिरी दो स्टेप प्लानिंग एंड एग्जीक्यूशन दोनों टोटली नॉलेज रिप्रेजेंटेशन पर डिपेंडेंट है. Now what are the requirements or properties of knowledge representation? So first one is representational adequacy, which is ability to represent all kind of knowledge. Second one is inferential adequacy, which is ability to interpret current knowledge to gain new one. Third one is inferential efficiency, that is ability of system to direct knowledge in a productive way. तो इसका मतलब है कि किस तरह से हम अवेलेबल नॉलेज और इन्फॉर्मेशन को यूज़ करें कि हमें बेस्ट पॉसिबल आउटपुट मिले. एंड द फोर्थ वन इज एक्विजिशनल एफिशिएंसी, एंड इट इज़ द एबिलिटी टू एक्वायर न्यू नॉलेज इजीली फ्रॉम एनवायरनमेंट. नाउ नॉलेज को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए 4 टेक्निक्स है, दैट आर लॉजिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन, सिमेंटिक नेटवर्क, प्रोडक्शन रूल्स एंड फ्रेम रिप्रेजेंटेशन. सो फर्स्ट वन, लॉजिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन. तो नाम से ही इतना आइडिया तो मिल गया कि इट इज़ द लैंग्वेज विद सम प्रीडिफाइंड रूल्स एंड जिसमें कोई भी टाइप की एम्बिग्विटी प्रेजेंट नहीं होनी चाहिए. इट शुड बी प्रॉपर इन बोथ सिंटैक्स एज वेल एज इन सिमेंटिक. तो सिंटैक्स का मतलब है हाउ वी कैन कंस्ट्रक्ट लीगल सेंटेंस और विच सिम्बल्स कैन वी यूज और हाउ टू राइट दैट पर्टिकुलर सिम्बल. एंड सिमेंटिक्स का मीनिंग है कि सेंटेंस शुड हैव अ प्रॉपर मीनिंग or the logical correctness of sentence. So again logical representation 2 types के हो सकते हैं, either propositional logic और predicate logic. So ये दोनों टाइप हम बाद में देखेंगे. Now second one, semantic network representation. So it is used as an alternative to first order logic और predicate logic. So यहाँ knowledge को graphical form में represent किया जाता है. Graphical form मतलब nodes will represent to object or entity, and arc will represent any relationship among object like has, is, and kind of, etc. Now here an example is given which display is a has and kind of relationship. So sparrow and pigeon is a bird, sparrow and pigeon has feather, and bird is a kind of biotic organism. Now third one, production rules. So this will use if then condition, like if condition 1 is selected, then it will lead to action 1. If condition 2 is selected, then it will lead to action 2, etc. And specialty about this representation is it provides bounds to propositional and predicate logic. Now fourth one, frame representation. So this type is similar to database management systems. तो database management systems में क्या होता था? There were entities and for entities के लिए attributes भी होते थे. So here slots correspond to entity and filler correspond to attribute. Slot and filler both constitute a frame. Third concept is of script. So script are extension of frames for easy retrieval of information. हम देखेंगे अप्रोचेस टू नॉलेज रिप्रेजेंटेशन. सो फर्स्ट वन है सिंपल रिलेशनल. तो इसमें इंफॉर्मेशन किसी भी ट्रेडिशनल डेटाबेस की तरह ही रिप्रेजेंट की जाती है, लाइक इन द फॉर्म ऑफ टेबल्स दैट कंटेन फील्ड, रिकॉर्ड्स, एक्सेट्रा. नाउ सेकंड वन इज इनहेरिटेबल. सो इट मेंटेन्स अ हायरार्की ऑफ क्लासेस. सो अगेन हियर एक एग्जांपल गिवन है विच डिस्प्ले इंस्टेंस एंड इज अ रिलेशनशिप. नाउ थर्ड वन इज इन्फरेंशियल नॉलेज. So this knowledge is in the form of formal logic. तो इसका main advantage ये है कि more facts can be derived from current information. For example, Marcus is a man and all men are mortal. So it can be represented as X का मतलब है Marcus. Marcus is a man and for all X, if X is a man, then X is mortal. Now fourth one is procedural knowledge. अगेन ये प्रोसीजरल इफ देन रूल्स को यूज़ करता है एंड बिसाइड इट यूजेस स्मॉल प्रोग्राम एंड कोड टू डिस्क्राइब हाउ टू डू एक्शंस और हाउ टू डू थिंग्स और हाउ टू प्रोसीड फर्दर. एंड इट इज़ अ गुड वे ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेशन इफ एनी एजेंट हैज़ डोमेन स्पेसिफिक नॉलेज. So now what are the issues or challenges for knowledge representation? So first one is occurrence of basic attribute in every domain जिसकी कोई भी नीड नहीं है. सेकेंड वन है सिलेक्शन ऑफ डिटेल्स ऑफ नॉलेज कि नॉलेज और इन्फॉर्मेशन को कौन सी डिटेल्स तक स्टोर करना है. देन थर्ड वन इज रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ सेट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. एंड फाइनली हाउ टू एक्सेस द नीडेड इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम द वास्ट डेटाबेस. So this was the detailed concept of knowledge representation. Thank you.